So hello, I hope everyone can hear me. Welcome to the first PDFfiller webinar. My name is Solia, and today I will give you a general introduction to the different tools and features of PDFfiller's online editor. So first, here's the agenda for today. We're going to talk about how to open a document in PDFfiller, how to fill or edit your documents, how to sign or export your documents, how to export data, host forms, send documents out for signatures, how to organize your documents. Then I'm going to tell you a few words about PDFfiller's new features. I'm going to talk to you about how to manage your account and how to get help if you have any specific problem you want to solve. So I will use a specific example to guide you through the functioning of our online interface. We will take the example of a manager who has to fill and send an employee performance review. And I will show you how to upload the employee performance review on our platform, how to fill it, how to send it to the employee for signature, and finally how the employee receives it and signs it. So first, how to upload your document. The first step is to upload, and you can do it simply by uploading a form from your computer. But you can also access your documents stored on Dropbox, Google Drive, Box, and OneDrive, and open them directly in our online editors in just a few seconds. You can import your file from other sources as well, for instance, by connecting your account to third-party services. If the file you're looking for has been sent to you by a colleague on Slack, for instance, you have the possibility to connect your Slack account to your PDFfiller account and to open your file in PDFfiller in just a few clicks. It also works with Xero and with Salesforce. As you can see, the interface offers other possibilities. You can search a file on the PDFfiller database. You can access it by entering its URL. You can use the request document option to ask for a specific document to be sent to you, or email the PDF to your personal PDFfiller email. Your document will then appear in your PDFfiller inbox in just a few seconds. Okay, but in our case, let's say that you happen to have the document you're looking for in your Gmail mailbox as an attached document. So you could download the document and upload it to the PDFfiller interface. But if you install the PDFfiller extension for Chrome on your computer, you can just open the email with the attached documents, and you will see a fill button appear on the PDF. Just click on it, and you will be taken straight to the PDFfiller's online editor, and you will be able to start filling and editing your form. Now let's talk about how to edit your document. When you open your file in PDFfiller, the text option at the upper left corner of the page is selected by default. So it means that you can just click anywhere on your page and start typing to fill the document. In just a few clicks, you can change the font style, you can change its color, you can resize the text, you can delete it, and you can move it around. You can also fill the rest of the form by adding circles, check marks, or cross. So, for instance, select the cross on the upper left side of the page and then click wherever you want to place it. Like for the text, you have the option to move it around, to change its color, to resize it, or to delete it. In the toolbar, you will find also buttons to highlight any text you would like to emphasize, or to erase or black out any irrelevant or confidential information. So the PDFfiller online editor offers you all sorts of other tools to modify your document. They include the possibility to add lines, to add arrows, to draw, to add text boxes and sticky notes, to add pictures and watermarks, to search for keywords in your PDF, to reorganize your pages as you wish, and finally, to restore any versions of your document that you previously saved. So if you would like me to go into more details about any of these options, or to demonstrate how the software works, please message me in the chat box. I will answer your question at the end of the webinar. So now you want to sign and have this document signed by your employee. One useful tool is to add a fillable field for signature. You simply need to click on the Add Fillable Field button on the right side of the page, and you will see different options appear to add a fillable field. Then you just need to click on Signature to add a fillable field for signature. So you have many other choices of fillable fields. For instance, here I can add a fillable field for date, and I can also add one for text. I can also add numbers, checkboxes, and photos. Now that your document is filled, what do you do with it? Let's talk about exporting your document. When you've finished editing your form, click on Done, and you will be taken straight to this Export Your Document page, where you will have different options offered to you. So when you click on Done, your document is automatically saved on the PDFfiller interface, so you can just go back to it anytime and keep editing. But you can also save your document on your computer under different types of format. You have the choice between PDF, Word, Excel, and PowerPoint. You can print it if you have, for instance, your employee in front of you and you want him to sign the document immediately. And you can send your document to anyone you wish, either via email, fax number, or any US mobile phone number. Your recipient will receive an SMS with a link with a secure password to access the document. Okay, so now if you click on the tab Send It Out, once you started the export, you will find some of our other options for collaborative editing, including Link to Fill, Share, and Send to Sign. I'm going to talk to you a little bit more about these options. So Link to Fill. Link to Fill enables you to host a fillable version of any document. So what it means is like PDFfiller will generate for you a link which will give access to a fillable version of your form to anyone who clicks on it for full or partial editing. You can post this link on your website or maybe send it directly via email. You have the possibility to create a password to restrict the access to your document. Link to Fill was designed for people who need to send a large number of standard forms to be filled regularly. So it's not really appropriate here for a single employee performance review, but it would be a perfect tool if you wanted to send employee feedback surveys, for instance. Now Share. Share enables you to work collaboratively on PDF documents, and using it you will be able to collaboratively edit one document with up to 10 people. You can personalize the type of access you want to give to each of your recipients, whether you want them to have a full editing access or not, and it also enables you to fully control the workflow and the permissions of your document, and to check the status and edit done on your PDF in real time in my doc page. But this tool is more designed for working collaboratively on one document. PDFfiller created a more appropriate tool for signature requests, which is called Send to Sign. Send to Sign, in a few words, allows you to request and manage digital signatures from third parties. You can send any document to up to 20 people. So we have two options here. Send to Each allows you to send your document to be signed individually to several people. Whereas Send to Group enables you to invite a group of people to digitally sign the same copy of one document. With each of these options, you have the possibility to control the workflow of the signature process, the signing order, and the type of access and editing right, either full or partial editing, your recipients have on your document. So here, Send to Sign is the option we want to pick. We could also decide to print the document, to send it to the employee, to wait for him to sign it, and to send it back to us. But Send to Sign is a tool that has been specifically designed to make this process faster and easier for everyone. And again, you will be able to follow all the edits on your form in real time on the My Docs page. So once you added the name of the recipient and his or her email address, and once you personalize the type of access you want to give to them, click on Send to Sign, and the recipient will receive a request to sign the document. And that's what it's going to look like. Here. And if your recipient clicks on Sign Now, no matter whether they have a PDFfiller account or not, they will be taken straight to our editing interface, where they will be able to digitally sign the document using PDFfiller's Signature Manager. So we designed 5 ways to sign documents. The first one is to type the signature directly, like here on this GIF. The second is to upload it from your computer to our interface. Then you can capture it by webcam. What you need to do is to sign a piece of paper, put it in front of your webcam, and click on our capture button. You can use our mobile signature option. Just enter your phone number and you will receive a link to sign via your mobile phone's touchscreen. And you can also simply draw by using directly your computer mouse or graphic tablet. So here is the way you can draw. In any case, your signature will be then saved in our interface for future use. And once the signature is added, your recipient just needs to submit the document, and you will receive a notification that the form has been signed. So now I'm going to tell you about how to organize your documents. So if you want to access and retrieve your signed document, you need to go to the My Docs page. This is where all of your documents are stored and where you can access them and manage them. You can organize them in different folders, and there you can turn your documents into templates, you can fix broken PDFs. You can also find here an option to add additional blank pages to your documents. It's a place you go where you want to follow and monitor your signature request as well as your shared document, and you can access documents other people have shared with you. So you will be able to view documents that you have sent to signed or filled by others and access all of the export options that we just mentioned before. So from there you can print, you can email, send by SMS, fax, save as, share, send to sign, and link to fill. So for instance, you can go to your send to sign folder and print signed form for your archives or save it on your computer. So here you can see what the interface looks like, and this is to create a template. Okay, so now that I've talked you through how to upload and fill a form and how to get it signed, I would like to tell you a few words about PDFfiller's new features. So the first one is fill in bulk. It's a new feature that enables you to create a set of standard forms to be sent to a list of people where you can personalize some fields for each recipient. So to give you a practical example, it might be used, for instance, by an HR manager who needs to send a form to its employees, but who wants to add their individual social security number on each form. To access this tool, you just need to go to the My Docs page, and you will see the Fill in Bulk option on the right. You select your form, click on Fill in Bulk, and you will be taken to a page where you will be able to add fillable fields and then to decide on which field you want to customize for each recipient. And this is what the form looks like after. Now, how to create new document workflow with our Google tools. One of our priorities is to make the life of our customer easier by working on the integration of the PDFfiller online editor to other types of platforms. And this is what we're trying to achieve with our Google tools. The Google Drive app makes it possible for you to edit any document stored on Google Drive with PDFfiller. And the Google Docs add-on allows you to open any Google Doc as a modifiable PDF. So here you can see what it looks like. You just click on add-on, PDFfiller, edit as PDF, and you can start editing your doc in PDFfiller. This is if you installed the add-on. And there's a tutorial on our website that explains how to do it. So now that we're done with editing and exporting the document, I would like to give you an overview of how to navigate and manage your PDFfiller account. You can access this page by clicking on My Account at the top right corner of the main PDFfiller page. You can manage your personal information here. You can change your name, email address, and phone number. You can also custom brand requests and invitations, which means that you can customize the request and invitations sent by PDFfiller on your behalf with your company logo. And you can change your payment methods and see your payment history. You can go here if you want to upgrade your account, for instance. Okay. So now that I'm done with introducing you to our interface, where do you go if you need more specific help for your account? If you have any questions or if you need any help with one of our features, we have a strong support system with a live chat available 24 hours a day and 7 days a week. So just a little tip for you. If you write to us on our live chat, make sure to log in into your account first. We answer way faster requests from customers than from unidentified users. So there is also a lot of information available on our website. We have an FAQ with answers to the most questions we are being asked. And we have many video tutorials with in-depth explanation of our features. Okay, so that's it for today. If you would like to know more about how companies are using our product, I will later send you links to our enterprise page and our white paper. But for now, I would be happy to answer any of your questions, and if you need, I can also demonstrate any of the features you would like to know more about. So I'm just going to have a look at if you have any questions.